Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. As you guys can see, it's sunny outside, but the temperature is starting to get really cold. So I'm at work right now and I'm just leaving to go and pick up Malika from school. I just realized that I've not taken you guys on that journey in terms of showing you what Malika's school is like. Just give you guys a quick update as to how she's doing in school and stuff like that. Many of you guys have a lot of questions where that is concerned. So I'm just gonna go and grab her from school right now and then we'll have a quick chat about that, okay? Yeah guys, so as I said, I'm currently on my way to pick up Malika from school. I just realized that I have not shown you guys anything about Malika's school as yet, and school started probably 2 or 3 weeks ago. Smash a like on this video, by the way. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already, and just come along. It's getting really cold. Tomorrow is the first day of fall. The temperature is right now 6 degrees, so it's getting really chilly. The sun is still out, which kind of makes it a beautiful day, but it's kind of getting a little bit cold. But anyways guys, come on the journey. We're going to pick up Malika from school, and as usual, just have a quick chat. Yeah guys, so Malika was literally the last child in her class to get picked up today. Not because I was late, but because the other parents were early. So typically this is what my day looks like. Typically I have to leave work like this time, go pick up Malika, take her to her day home, go back to work, leave work, pick up nuts, pick up the kids, go home. Busy schedule throughout the week, guys. Nonetheless, she's been doing very good in school. There's a lot of improvements. Malika, sit down properly. Sit down properly. There's a whole lot of improvements being in class with kids her age and a little bit more advanced than her is really helping her. So that's something that is very, very good. As I said, we're gonna take her to our day home, the same day home that her sister goes to. Guys don't know that's Malia, by the way. So let's just chat a little bit about like what does that cost us, right? Now, persons who are thinking of moving to Canada and they have kids, like childcare is a big thing on their list of like queries, things to find out, and it's gonna be one of the biggest cost factor. Now, the good thing, guys, is that in Alberta, now I can't speak about the other provinces because obviously I'm not there, I've not lived there, but in the province of Alberta, as a temporary resident, and meaning temporary resident, being an international student or a temporary worker, you are qualified for a childcare subsidy, right? So you have the Alberta Childcare Grant, which is separate from the Alberta Childcare Subsidy. Now, the Alberta Childcare Grant is up to $300 for the month, and the childcare subsidy can be up to $260 a month. So if you only have one child in the province of Alberta, it might be even totally free, or probably just $100 for you to get them into a full-time daycare or a full-time day home, depending on what your schedules are. Now, as I said, I can't speak about all the provinces, guys, so don't comment and ask me about the other provinces because I do not know. All I know is that in the province of Alberta, it's something that was previously only for permanent residents in terms of childcare subsidy and the childcare grant, but it's now been opened up to include temporary residents. So that's something that's very, very good. So we have 2 kids in daycare right now, and it don't cost us a lot, and it's full time. So that's definitely something to consider, right? Now, before the childcare subsidy and all of them thing there, like a full-time daycare can run upwards of $700 for the month per child, and that's a factual figure. That's a day home figure. That's a cheap figure, right? So it's very expensive. Childcare is very, very expensive in Canada. I know that they're working on a number of things to bring it down in terms of the $10 a day thing, but that is not immediate. That is over a number of years, which eventually is going to come down to that. But for now, the subsidy really, really helps us out. Really, really helps us out. I'm not even joking. I'm not even lying. Without the subsidy, it would cost us like probably like $1,500 a month for the 2 kids, for just childcare. So having a subsidy in Alberta really, really helps out a lot of families, right? So if you're thinking of migrating and Alberta is your place that you're coming, this is just one of the many benefits of coming to Alberta. I'm not sure if other provinces have anything similar, but not that I'm aware of. They might or they might not be. All right, guys. So yeah, that's just pretty much what's going on right now in our day. You know, Nats is working now. She's actually at work. Hold on, let me go through the light here. Yeah, so she works throughout the day, typical 9 to 5, whatever you want to call it. So she don't have the flexibility to like pick up the kids and stuff throughout the day that I have. So this is just my duty throughout the daytime. So again, guys, if it is that you guys are trying to reach us or trying to reach out to us, this is just one of the many things that we have to do, that we have going on. So please understand when we are not as punctual as we are used to, or when they probably send us a message and we're unable to connect with you immediately. We have a life too, guys, right? Like it's very hard trying to explain to somebody that we're human beings as well and we do have life, right? And you know what, sometimes we just have to be selfish and focus on ourselves as well, because we have been in positions where we have been focusing on other people, and like, when I say other people, I don't mean any disrespect, but like we're always trying to help others, right? And there are times when we need help and there's no one to be found, and that's just the harsh reality of life. Like I cannot count the amount of persons who have helped, not only financially, but with our time, with our expertise, with our effort, just having conversations day after day, night after night, LOE for free, you know, one whole heap of stuff. And bottom line is, when we need help, because we've been in positions that hasn't been working for months, you guys know, and there's no one to be found. Even persons who we expect that would be there for us when we need it, like persons who we thought we were close with, and stuff like that. When it's time for you to get help, there's no one to be found. So because of that, now sometimes we just have to be selfish. We just have to focus on ourselves. We just have to focus on our own selves and make sure that we are putting ourselves in a position to pretty much be self-sufficient and help ourselves. Because if we are in need of help, we're not going to be able to help anyone else. That's just how it is, right? So a lot of persons have been reaching out, and some have become even frustrated by saying, oh my gosh, like I thought you would have connected with us already, and you did the other. Life. 4-letter word, guys. It's just a 4-letter word. Life. We have life to think about still. We have our life to focus on still. Still have goals that we want to reach. We still have goals that we want to accomplish. And as honest as you guys are who's watching this video right now, none of you guys are going to be there when we need help. And that's just the bottom line. That's just how it is. That's just how it is, right? And it's not a case that you don't want to be there, but like when we need help, guys, none of you guys are going to be there. So everyone is just pretty much thinking about themselves. Everyone is just pretty much thinking about themselves and like how are they going to get the information to benefit themselves and their family. But sometimes the person who's giving the advice, giving the information, giving the motivation needs motivation as well. All right, guys. Anyways, that's not what this video was even about. This video was just a chit chat, letting you know what's going on. About to drop Malika off at our day home and then back. Yo, you still not saying hi? Malika. Okay. Why did it take so long? Come on. Come on. You're gonna go and see baby sister. Good job. Whoa, you wanna hit the doorbell? Thank you. Wait on Auntie Jean. Wait, you have to wait. It has to open from inside. Hello. It's Malika. I made sure it's the right bag today. See you later.
Okay, Malika inside.
Bye, Malika.
She's scared of dog when it is barking, but
Yes.
after that she's fine.
Okay, see you later. That's a part of my day. Now I'm back to work. Going back to work. You know, it was so hard finding a day home that we trust. That's first and foremost. As you guys know, Malika's situation. So finding somebody to take care of her who is not us was a challenge, because we have trust issues when it comes on to that and stuff like that. So we're so happy that we found Jean, by the way. Jean's been doing an awesome job, and I highly recommend her. She's been doing a great job so far. And again, I just want to thank everybody who has been supporting our movement, who has been supporting our channel. Of course, we are more than 3,500 strong. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys so much for the strength. You understand? I'm one of you guys, right? Like, there's nothing special about Nats and myself in terms of we are here and you are not. All we had was a dream, just like you guys, right? So now I'm here driving around, dropping kids here, dropping kids there, going to work, yada blah blah blah. Was once a dream. Was once a dream as well. Just as little as 3 years ago, guys. We came here not knowing what we were gonna do, where we're gonna go, what direction life is gonna pull us in. To see us here now fully integrated is just a blessing. It's just a blessing, and like for persons who want to make the transition, I always say the same thing, guys. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Right? No, don't let the fear of uncertainty be your downfall. Don't let the fear of uncertainty be the reasons why you don't, try. You don't know the outcome. The outcome might be the best decision you've ever made in your life. No two ways about it, right? Now, many persons like, yo, am I gonna be able to get a good job? They're researching all the stuff that is important, but in the grand scheme of things, is not important. If you know what I mean, right? Now, you just have to be positive and just know, say, oh, you're making this move, and look on the end result. Look on the end result. Begin with the end in mind. So even if you have a rough start, right? Know that there's an end result that you're working towards, right? Begin with the end in mind. And that motivates you to push through the hard times, push through the difficult times, and just keep working towards that end result that you know you want for yourself and for your family. You understand what I'm saying? Now, many of you guys are doing this for yourself, but like for me, I was doing this for my family. And many other you guys are doing it for your family. Remember why and who you're doing it for. And don't let the fear of the unknown prevent you from making a step. Sometimes to grow, you have to move. Right? In order to fly, you have to jump. That's facts. In order to fly, you have to jump. And that's just it. Now, don't let fear be the reason why, right? Like, fear is a hell of a thing, you know. Fear prevents a lot of us from achieving our goal, achieving our dreams, and ultimately achieving our destiny. Don't let fear prevent you. Don't let the fear be a downfall. Go for it. Make that move today, right? If you need help, reach out to a consultant to help you with your case. But if you know that this is something that you want, migrating is something that you want deep down, keep working towards it. Don't believe say, oh, it's not possible for you, and some people this make for, and you don't have enough money, and ooh, you don't know nobody are foreign, and ooh, yada. No, guys, it is for all of us, not some of us, every single one of it. As long as you want it, it's there for you too. But you have to believe that, right? You have to believe that it's not just for them, it's not just for nuts, it's not just for any particular person, it's for everyone. And everybody do it for a different reason, and everybody transition is different. Everybody's journey, everybody walking this life is different. So how can we expect everybody experience on their immigration journey to be the same? It's not gonna be the same. It's gonna be different, right? So that's okay. Just have an open mind, keep positive, surround yourself with positivity, and I cannot emphasize how important it is to surround yourself with positivity. That word, don't take it for granted. Positivity is key, guys. You understand? Put out in the universe what you want. Say, yo, ooh, I shall, I will, I must, I will get it, I will reach there, I will accomplish it, and I will do it. And don't let a rejection stop you either. Yeah, it hurt, it sting when you just get it, but brush off yourself eventually and go again in the race, in the fight. You understand? And like personally, even talking to you guys right now, you know that I can go on because yo, there's just so much things that has happened in our lives that has caused us to give up, but we're still here fighting. We're still here pushing. As you guys know, like one of the biggest things, guys, we have a developmentally delayed child who it's very difficult, and we don't even make that affect us, and that is something that is tough in of itself, especially when you don't have support and you don't have the help that is needed to give you a break. Sometimes all you need is a break, and there's nobody out there to give us a break. We don't have that kind of network and friends. As I said, everybody's just thinking about themselves. So that alone, guys, for sure, say we have challenges daily that we have to overcome as well. So I believe when I say if we can do it, you can do it too. Now let's just finish this video on that note. Thank you guys so much for coming along. As per usual, thank you for being a part of the reasoning. Throw your comments down in the comment section. Let me know what you think, what you feel, and you know, what is your reason for wanting to migrate? What is your reason for already migrating? What made you want to make the transition? Let's have a little chat in the comment section, right? Let's chat about it a little bit and just all a little vibes, alright? If you haven't smashed a like already, smash a like on this video. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video, okay?